Number 4 triple cycle. After all the gadding about in the 3 cycle, the 4 cycle may be a little difficult to settle down to at first, but I'm afraid you will have to do so. As always, 4 denotes hard work and keeping your nose to the grindstone. It means time to build a business or home ties to build in general. That precludes much social life, but don't worry. You had enough of that for a spell in your last cycle and will have to do it again. You had better stick to work when it is necessary to do so. In any case, the work you do now will pave the way for rewards in the future, so you are merely adding to the account, as it were. Actually, you may have to work harder than usual now. It may get you down at times, but it is all part of this cycle. You will reap only what you sow, so sow you must. Don't complain about how much effort you are putting into whatever you are doing. It will only tire you more and cannot be avoided in any case, so it is best to do it with the joy and knowledge of the better things that are coming. You will emerge from this cycle a much better and wiser person, which will stand you in good stead in the future. One never exerts effort without learning something from it, and that is the axis on which our world turns. It is not enough to merely learn. You must experience. This experience will stay with you forever, to be taken out whenever it is needed for your advancement. Better to work now and store the experience again the day you might otherwise be dry. You will regret it deeply if you do not. Your home and business will be the center of your labors during this cycle, and it is a good opportunity to accomplish all you have been meaning to. Laboring for a social group or organization will be best left to a better cycle, perhaps a 2, 3, 5, etc. Now, this, oddly enough, does not necessarily mean redecorating the home. There are cycles that are better for creative or decorative activity, such as that would require, but nevertheless, you will be deeply involved with reorganizing the home activities, maybe putting up preserves, getting the ground in shape, and that sort of thing. Good, hard, manual labor. Find time, even in your exhaustion and preoccupation, to be sympathetic and tolerant of others, or you could be a bit of a bore. Put yourself out to listen to the problems of others and give the best counsel you can. It will take you out of yourself and will be greatly appreciated.